Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about register URLs. So we'll create a route for register URL. Register URL, and we'll define the method for it. So register, so we have a PESA endpoint. We have the headers, and these headers in form of JSON. So we'll have authorization. Here we'll have bearer, and the access token will follow. So we have this method that we've already created for generating access token, this method. If you've not seen it, you can look at our previous class. Then we'll have our response from the request that we'll make. So request.post, here we'll pass the PESA endpoint. Then we'll need also to pass the JSON body. So let me format this. So here we have the headers. Good. So the body will contain the shortcode, and we'll pass the shortcode there. Then we'll need also the response type. Then we'll take the confirmation URL. And the validation URL and the validation URL. Good. So I'll just copy this and paste it. So we'll have the shortcode. So I'll write this is 600.383. The kind of response we want is completed. I'll define my base URL here instead of repeating it every time. So I'll write my public IP address. You don't need this. You can use your domain name or any other thing, or any other URL, IP address that we have. So that is my base URL. So here I'll just say base URL and complete like that, and we'll return the response in case we don't have any error. Then we'll create the two URLs, that is the confirmation URL, and what I want to do is to write it to file. So we'll get the data first, then write it to URL. So data is going to be requests. Then get JSON. That will give us the body. Then we'll write it on file. So file open, have the file name, and then we'll have the write mode or mode that we want. So then we'll write it. So we'll write to file with the data, then close the file. Then we'll copy this and write it for validation as well. Validation like that. So we'll test it whether it's okay. We need to change our mode. Okay, yeah, now we can test it. So let us also simulate the request. So what I'll do is I'll import requests. Then we'll install it. Then we'll also import JSON because we need to use it so we'll some errors here. Correct. So we'll run it again. Everything is working. Let's test it. So paste it there. Change that one to register. It's not there. Let me see. Let's register URLs here. So missing something. Oh, I didn't provide the the PESA endpoint. Yes, so I'll just go and copy this one, paste it there, and now I can test it. Okay, I think we returned the wrong thing, so we need to return the body of the request. Here, so you just need JSON. Good. So let's repeat, and we have registered the URLs successfully. So in our next class, we are going to, I wanted to do both confirmation. I wanted to do the simulation here, but I think time is running out. So I'm going to do it in our next class. So thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing. And if you have any question or comment, you can write it below. Subscribe, and let's meet in our next class. Thank you very much.